So guys, I have a CD player of late 90s, and this is in a good condition, new condition, brand new condition. If you want to purchase this CD from me, it's a company of Konka, and it supports MPG4, SD card, mic support, karaoke, scan, etc. There is video connection for coaxial video, HD video, optical, FR, SUV, SIR, SL. Its model is KDS 956. Power source 90 volt 250, and DC tool also can support in this. It's a very good condition. You can buy from me with just rupees 3000. Thanks for watching.